today we will be solving quadratic equation by factoring. Okay, we have here steps for us to solve the quadratic equation. First is write the equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Step 2, factor the quadratic trinomial of the equation. Step 3, apply the zero product property. Substitute the acquired values, the original equation, to check if to satisfy the equation. So I prepare 3 examples in here. First is, we need to make it into standard, right? So try to look at our equation. This is already in standard form. So let's proceed to second step. Factor the quadratic. So let's try to factor it out. Try to remember your grade 8 lesson, the special products. Okay, the first term, second term, the third term, right? Then try to look for the factors of this first term here. So x and x. Since it's negative, obviously this is positive and negative, right? And then 20. So what are the factors of 20? I will put it here. It can be 4 times 5. It can be 10 times 2. And or 20 times 1. But in this case, we need to look for the two numbers that if we're going to add or subtract, the answer will be 1. So obviously this one. So let's try to put 4 here and 5 here is equal to 0. Okay, in order for you to know if this is really correct, try to check using FOIL method. So I'm going to put border here. In order for us to see, let's try using the FOIL method. You know it already. The first term, this will be x squared. This will be 5x. This will be 4x. And this will be 20. So if we can get the same answer, that means our solution is correct. So they are the same. So this one is correct. After factoring, we need to apply the zero product property or equate this one into 0, both sides. So this will be x plus 4 is equal to 0. There, and then the other, I'm going to put x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then equate x, transfer the 4 or transpose the 4 to this side. So this will be negative 4. And then the other one, positive 5. So we have here our x. Okay. Let's going to check the last step, checking. Okay. To check, we need to use our original equation, which is x squared minus x is equal to 20, minus 20 is equal to 0. So just substitute. Let's use the negative 4. Don't forget the sign. Minus 20 is equal to 0. There you go. Next, negative 4 times negative 4. So this will be 16. This will be positive already. Then 20 is equal to 0. So this will be 20 minus 20 equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Check. Okay, let's try to use this too. 5 squared, 5 minus 20. So this will be 25 minus 5 is 20 is equal to 0. 25 minus 5, this will be 20. Minus 20 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Check. Okay, understood everyone? So let's proceed to the next example. We have here 2x squared plus 4x. Binomial. Okay? In this case, we need to get or to look for the common factor of the two. What do you think? Okay, we have here 2x, right? They have common, which is 2x. After that, you need to divide 2x squared divided by 2x. That's x. And then copy the sign. Next, 4x divided by 2x. So that's 2. That's it. Then, equate it into 0. 2x is equal to 0. Then, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Got it? Then, isolate the 2. Both sides. So that we can cancel out. So, remaining 6. 0 divided by 2, so that's 0. So, here, simply equate. X, just transfer the 2 to this side, so this will be negative 2. So we have 2's. Okay, checking. Let's do the checking. Use again the original formula. Sorry. So 2, let's use the 0. 4 times 0, so this will be 0. I will be showing to you so that you will not be confused. So 0 plus 0, the answer is still 0. Right? What about the second one? 2 times negative 2 squared plus 4, negative 2. So this will be 2, 4. 2 times 2, it's 4. Plus 2, 4 times negative 2, so that's negative 8. Right? So this will be 8 minus 8. The answer is 0. You got it now? Okay, proceed. X squared minus 4x minus 21. So this is trinomial factor. Do the same thing as what we did in number 1. So find the factor of the first term. Since it's negative, so positive and negative, right? And then look for the factor of 21. Now let's try to list it here. We have 7 times 3 or 21 times 1. But we need to look for the 4. So this one. Let's try to put 7 and 3. Remember, trial and error. So let's try to solve this one if our answer is really correct. Using FOIL, I will write it here. I will just make it small. X minus 3. So this will be x squared. X squared. Then this will be minus 7 minus 3x, 7x, and negative 21. So the answer is wrong. So we need to change the operation. Let's use minus here, and let's try to use that. X minus 7, x plus 3. X squared plus 3x minus 7x minus 21. X squared minus 4x, this is 21. So this is correct. This one is correct. So after this, we need to equate this one into 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. And then the other one, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is transfer 7, positive 7. And this side, x is negative 3. So here. Okay, let's try to check again. It's important for you to check. Just be patient enough to solve this. Use again the original equation. Let's try to use the 7 first. 7 squared minus 4 times 7 minus 21. There you go. And then 49, that's 7 times 7 is 49, minus 28 minus 21. Okay, so this will be 21 minus 21. So this is equal to 0. Got it? And then the other one, 3. 3 squared minus 4 times this negative. Don't forget the sign. Be careful. And then 21. So this will be 3, negative 3 times negative 3. So positive 9. So this will be positive 12 minus 21. So 21 minus 21. So this will be 0. Okay, hope you guys understood our topic for today. God bless you, everyone.